Well, driving on the Autobahn, no, not Autobahn yet, we're just driving on the highway. Driving in this car is pretty smooth. It really cruises easy along, no problem at all. Fifth gear, about 2800 RPM, doing 100. The car drives very smooth. And it's quite relaxed here to sit. The seats are comfortable, a little bit high. Too high for my liking, not really sporty. Sitting position also quite high. But if you would drive this car, this classic, still every day, to your work for example, it drives pretty smooth. So no complaining there. All your controls are here. It goes. In fifth gear, maybe it's also quite economic. Not really sure about that, if it's economical or not. Have to find that out. Alright, just entered Germany. Let's see what this car can do. As you can see in front of me, traffic is... there is traffic. So maybe it's not gonna be the best run, but let's see. Car still pulls pretty good for a car at this age. In the corner, very stable. Hear the turbo? Really whistling. Well, that's about it for now. Maybe later we're gonna try it again. What an idiot. Alright guys, let's give it another go. Let's go for a drive. Start the car. First gear. Second gear. Let's push it a bit. And there goes the turbo. Wow. Really pushing. At 3000 RPM it starts. And 3500 you really feel it pulling 4000. It is fun, definitely. I used to have a Nissan 200 SX. It's a big turbo, Garrett GT28, something like that, GT28R. And it pulls a lot more than this, but old school turbos are really fun. Let's see, no one here, nice and quiet. Let's hope it's also like that on the Autobahn. Now, by the looks at it, there in the distance, it's not quiet. Oh. Let's go. Really pulling. But you can see we're not going that fast. It's just more the feeling that you get that it goes fast. But it is not really fast. Dutch people not in a hurry. Push it one more time. There we go. Yeah. Turbo kicks in. That's fun. Yeah, here in Germany you have a traffic light to your left. It's good that's there, because then you can see the light very well. Because otherwise it's almost impossible to see the traffic light, as they used to have it most of the times there in the middle. And you hardly see it, because as you can see the roof here is very long. And the window is just very curved and just quite narrow. We're now in third gear, almost 3000 RPM. Let's see, the turbo kicks in. Yeah, the turbo gives you really an idea that it's fast. You can hear the turbo singing. 220. Yeah, that's the max. .220 is about the max for the car. On the meter, but GPS says 211. Let's go. Pushing it again. There goes the turbo, you can hear it. Turbo singing. Yeah, it doesn't go faster than that. Also with the traffic. But it is fun. It's only 211, but with the sound of the car, the turbo singing, yeah, it makes you feel that you already go like 240 for some reason. It's really fun. It's really fun. And unexpected for a car like this, because most of the times you would think, there we go again, in 5th gear, it just keeps spooling. Most of the times you would think that in a Saab, you don't have so much fun and so much speed. But this thing goes. In 5th, push the pedal and just keep spooling. You can see the light here for the turbo. Yeah, does he go? Yeah, he goes. It's really fun. Trucks and traffic. Oh, that is very nice. Yeah, it is a nice car on the Autobahn. 200 kilometers per hour, no sweat. After that, yeah, you really have to push it. It says 200, but there it says 180. It is fun. It is fun. It is a fun car. You can buy this now, 5,000 euros, second hand. It is a fun car. On the Autobahn. Yeah, that was fun. Alright guys, that was the Autobahn for now. Please give a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave down in the comments what you think of this video. And I will see you in the next video. Bye guys, take care.